well, I'm reviewing everything else, so I might as well review this too. I needed a couple more engine stands. So I grabbed this Carlisle tools from Napa. Still made in China. Um, you know, right? Anyways, comes triple boxed. You know, 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and then it's pretty well packaged. You know, typical enamel-based Chinese paint and their horrible grease there. It's pretty heavy steel. It's. I mean, you know what? It's decent. Comes as, you know, 1, 2. So this piece comes apart or comes off. There's no welding due to it or anything. It's all bolt together. Cheap Chinese grade. Well, they're metrics. So they say that they're 8.8s. So, anyways, it's decent. The welds are decent. I don't know what the penetration looks like because it feels like it's either powder coated or heavy enamel bake. But it's got a pivoting point here and there. So I guess you can take this off and lay it down, or I don't know, for storage or something. It's got a set of casters. You know, this is all your typical Chinese, you know what I mean? Crap. So, you know, plan on replacing these for sure because they're junk. So, more cheesy hardware. The arms are pretty heavy, but as we all know, you know, Chinese or Asian stuff, the metal's really thick and heavy, but it doesn't always mean that it's any good. So, I have another one together over here with this LS. So it's kind of what it looks like when it's assembled. It's all right, you know. it's decent. The crank works okay, you know. It's got a high gear ratio on it, so it's not bad. I mean, you know, super shops used to sell worse than this. Those 3-legged stands that were, remember? They had one there, and then just one leg out here, and you pushed it down the driveway or over something. It was like a skateboard that you took a header on. So that's about it. It's, you know, for the money, it's okay. It's not really a lot available. Blue Point doesn't have anything really nice. You got to really spend a few $1,000s if you want something really nice. But for just backyard crap work and everything like this, these things work fine. So, probably not my greatest review, but, you know, it's okay. I'd recommend buying it. So, 1,000-pound capacity. I don't know if I'd try that. Well, yeah, everything I'm building right now is a aluminum block, so we're not going to be anywhere near that. Anyways, that's it. Like, subscribe. Other people probably do tool reviews better than I do, but if I can think of an upgrade for this thing or anything like that, then I'll let you guys know. All right, stay tuned and check the bell for notifications on the next thing that we'll be looking at.